Welcome back. Today we're going to make some hot jalapeno hush puppies. Inside this bowl I have a half a teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking powder. I have a half a cup of cornmeal, a half a cup of all-purpose flour. Those are my dry ingredients. So now I'm going to place a little bit of my own seasoning in here. Add 1 egg. Jalapenos. A little bit of onion. Some chives. And half a cup of milk. And I'll show you what it looks like in a moment. This is the consistency of the hoppin' jalapeno hush puppies. So now this is going into the Ninja Air Foodie grill. Just going to take a little bit and scoop it in. And I will see you back in a moment. And now our hot hoppin' jalapeno hush puppies are complete in the Ninja Foodie grill, and that's what they look like. So I'm going to take them out. So you guys can see what these look like. And this is perfect for diabetics, diabetes, and people with high blood pressure. I want to break one open for you. I know the outside looks great. Woo! That's hot. But the inside looks better. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at nosaltbp.com. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!